Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to Mr. Perfect English Podcasts.
Hello, my name is David. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we have a very useful topic, talking about family in English. Family is one of the first topics in any conversation. When you meet someone new, they often ask, "Tell me about your family." Many English learners feel shy or confused about how to answer.
But don't worry. In this lesson, you will learn simple words, easy sentences, and natural conversations about family. You will practice with us step by step. And at the end, you will be able to describe your family in English with confidence.
Let's begin with the most common family words. Listen carefully, and then repeat after me. Father, also called dad. Mother, also called mom. Parents. Brother. Sister. Son. Daughter. Husband. Wife. Children or kids. Uncle. Aunt. Cousin. Grandfather or grandpa. Grandmother or grandma. Grandparents.
Great. Now let's use these words in short sentences. My father is a doctor. My mother is kind. I have one brother. I have two sisters. My grandparents live in another city. Now repeat slowly after me. My father is a doctor. My mother is kind. I have one brother. I have two sisters. My grandparents live in another city.
Now let's practice a few simple sentences you can use in daily life. I live with my parents. I have one brother and one sister. My uncle is funny. My aunt is very friendly. My grandparents are old but active.
Repeat after me. I live with my parents. I have one brother and one sister. My uncle is funny. My aunt is very friendly. My grandparents are old but active.
Here's a short and easy conversation. Tell me about your family. Sure. I have a small family. My father, my mother, and one brother. What does your father do? He is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. Nice. How old is your brother? He is 15 years old.
Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I have a small family. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. My brother is 15 years old.
Here's another example. Can you tell me about your family? Of course. I live with my parents and my grandmother. That's nice. Do you have any sisters? Yes, I have one sister. She is married. Does she have children? Yes, she has one daughter.
Now repeat after me. I live with my parents and my grandmother. I have one sister. She is married. She has one daughter.
When we talk about family, we often use the possessive form with an apostrophe and S. For example, my father's car, my sister's bag, my cousin's house. Listen carefully. This is my brother's name. That is my sister's room. Now repeat after me. This is my father's car. That is my mother's bag.
Let's learn some useful adjectives to describe family members. Kind, funny, friendly, smart, hardworking. Here are some examples. My father is hardworking. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. My sister is smart. Now repeat after me. My father is hardworking. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. My sister is smart.
Do you have a big family? Yes, I do. I have many cousins. Really? How many cousins do you have? I have 6 cousins. We meet on weekends. That sounds fun. Yes, we play games and talk a lot.
Now practice with me. I have many cousins. I have 6 cousins. We meet on weekends. We play games and talk a lot.
Families often do things together. Let's practice some activities. We eat dinner together. We watch TV together. We go shopping together. We travel together. We celebrate holidays together.
Now listen to these examples. We eat dinner together every night. We watch TV together on weekends. We travel together in summer. Repeat slowly after me. We eat dinner together every night. We watch TV together on weekends. We travel together in summer.
What do you usually do with your family? We usually eat dinner together at 7 p.m. That's nice. Do you watch TV together? Yes. Sometimes we watch movies. Do you travel together?
Yes, we travel in summer. Last summer, we went to the beach. Now repeat after me. We usually eat dinner together at 7 p.m. We sometimes watch movies. We travel in summer. We went to the beach last summer.
Now it's your turn to practice. I will ask you some questions. Try to answer aloud in English. How many people are in your family? Who do you live with? What do your parents do? Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have grandparents? What activities do you do with your family?
Here are some example answers. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my parents and my sister. My father is an engineer. My mother is a nurse. Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Yes, my grandparents live in my city. We eat dinner and watch TV together.
Now pause the podcast or video, think about your own answers, and say them out loud. This practice will help you become more confident.
Let's also practice how to ask questions about family. Who is in your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? What does your father do? What does your mother do? How many cousins do you have? Do you live with your grandparents? Now repeat each question slowly after me. Who is in your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? What does your father do? What does your mother do? How many cousins do you have? Do you live with your grandparents?
Let's review everything we learned today. Family vocabulary: father, mother, parents, brother, sister, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, cousin, grandparents. Simple sentences. I have 1 brother. My father is a doctor. My mother is kind. We eat dinner together every night. Grammar tip: use possessives, like my sister's bag, my father's car. Adjectives: kind, funny, friendly, smart, hardworking. Conversations: practice telling someone about your family, asking about their family, and describing family activities.
Great job! You have learned how to talk about your family in English. Now you can introduce your family, describe them with adjectives, and even talk about family activities. Practice these words and sentences every day. Use them with your friends, classmates, or teachers. In the comments, write a few sentences about your family in English. This will help you remember and use what you learned today. And don't forget to subscribe to this podcast or channel, like this lesson, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.